This is the reality of wash day that no one talks about. Stay tuned to the end of this video while I show you every single thing about my wash day routine, right? Moving on. So I just, applied the flaxseed gel to my hair and I decided to wash my hair afterwards. So this is how it looks. I'm sure so many people don't like showing the parts where soap and water is getting into their eyes and all of that, or the very discomforting drip of water down your spine. Anyway, this is me sharing everything. So this is the flaxseed, and flaxseed is very good for hair growth. It has omega-3 fatty acid. It has vitamins that will help to strengthen your hair. So believe you me, this is actually the first time I decided to try out flaxseed, and I must say the results were amazing, but the process quite messy. First off, I did not use an applicator bottle because I don't have one handy. So I actually just used a water bottle and I improvised by piercing the cover of the bottle. So that is why I was able to, overcome the fact that I don't have an applicator bottle and I improvised effectively. So this is just me, applying it to sections of my hair. As you can see, it is, moving on fine, but there are some clips I've actually uploaded before now where there'll just be sleep and a lot of things going on in the video, but nonetheless we move. So one thing is, after you apply the flaxseed gel to your hair, ensure that you cover your hair for like 30 to 45 minutes so that it can penetrate into your hair shaft and do the job. Don't forget, always apply on your scalp also. After you extend the hand of fellowship to your hair strands, extend the same hand of fellowship to your scalp, because obviously growth comes from your scalp, so your scalp needs as much love as your hair strands. If not for anything, it actually needs most of the product actually, because that is where new growth sprouts from. Moving on, all I do is I rinse off the gel from my hair after leaving it for a while. Then ensure that you rinse thoroughly, get all the gel off your hair. Don't leave the slimy flaxseed gel on your hair, right? And also this would help your product, that is your shampoo, deep conditioner, to also have like a clean surface to work on, and it would do the job. Moving on, the reason why this is pretty much chaotic is that water was just dripping everywhere and all of that, and it was just a lot. So this is just me trying to wash my hair in sections. This is my shampoo, the one that you can see right now, and the one in green container is my deep conditioner. So I'll just be taking you guys through the process post flaxseed gel application on your hair strands, right? So ensure that you apply a generous amount of your shampoo. At first it might not lather well, but afterwards you will notice that it will start creating that form of lather and everything, and you realize that over time your scalp is clean, your hair strands are clean, and like that. One thing about me is I try my best not to manage hair products, because the more the merrier. The more products that is being absorbed by your hair strands and your scalp, the more visible difference you would actually see. So why would you keep managing product and putting little products when you can as well just put enough that will do the job once and for all, instead of reapplying, because the first application was way too small for you. And I have a head full of hair, so I really need to use this product. So if you're out there, you can actually give flaxseed gel a trial. It would help to easily detangle your hair. So if you have like stubborn fussy hair, or you have like relaxed hair that you really need to detangle easily, you can go in with your flaxseed gel. Aside from the detangling process, right, you need flaxseed gel benefits. You need it, the vitamins, the fatty acid, everything to make your hair thrive and have that bouncy look. You need to incorporate it in your routine. And for those of you that just need something that is slippery, jelly-like in nature to detangle your hair, you can either use the flaxseed gel, or you can use the aloe vera gel, or you can just use something that is jelly-like that has enough slip for your hair. So this is just me, washing my scalp very well. My scalp needed a good wash, extremely good wash. So like I said earlier, over time the shampoo will start foaming, because your scalp is getting clean, your hair strand is also getting clean and all of that. So as you can see, I am really scrubbing my scalp because I want to get rid of any form of flakiness, any form of dirt, debris, whatever it is. I need to get it all out. Can you see? Soap water in my eyes, like it's just a lot. This is basically like a chaotic, wash day, but we move regardless. What needs to be done needs to be done, right? So there's some parts I didn't even bother to cut out because I want you guys to see the struggle sometimes in filming wash day routine. I feel like, sometimes let's just come here and be original. I'll see you in my next. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on it.